Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So this one is called Nirun Granville. I'll probably put it in line down. I'll put it on the in the thing. But here's the bathrooms, and basically, let's just see what this is. This looks like it's a window to just something between everything. Okay. So actually, this is also a condo unit, so that somebody's renting it out. This looks like it's a little bit wet there. And basically, what I'm doing is I'm renting it for the day, for the night, and I might rent out a different one and just kind of get a feel for the different rooms. And I'm just kind of learning it right now, just kind of seeing this area, seeing what the possibilities are of maybe trying to buy a condo in this area. This is one of the units I'm looking at. This is in central Pattaya. It's about 1 kilometer from the beach, I think, something like that. But it's but you can actually walk to the beach. It takes about 30 minutes, maybe. And I have this view of the city from here as well. So let's just take a look. So I'll step out. So okay, so that's kind of the down below. Looks like there's a little, there's a resort there. A bunch of apartments all the way down there. That's interesting as well. Like some chickens down there, some older house right there, I guess. And some more condo apartments, anyways, condos. So I don't know, it's kind of interesting. I just walked by the school, so yeah, there's actually, okay, looks like I can also see there's also other neighbors too. They're hanging in clothes, so this one just happens to have this green thing, so you can see the units. Likewise on this side too. That's interesting. It's a good thing they have this thing here. So, okay. So we're going to close this, and we're going to explore this area in a minute. So each one is different, but you can kind of see the layout. And then, I don't know, it's like studio, so I was thinking possibly of trying to buy a place here. My first condo that I'd ever buy. It looks pretty cool though. Okay, so we're coming out of this condo unit. I'll show it in a minute, but we'll just show some of the buildings here. Oh, there's an outdoor bathroom there too. Okay. So yeah, there's outdoor bathroom, and then there's some bars and restaurants. And this is the condo unit right up there. So yeah, they got bars and restaurants right out front. And hello. So you got some more buildings here and here. So there's a swimming pool right in the middle of this. I'm going to explore more of this later, but we'll just walk through it for the moment. So this place has a lot of older gentlemen that are retired, that looks like. Predominantly, there's all these like places you can get your hair cut. There's also a laundry shop. Lots of places to eat. So I'm actually staying in it's a renting it out on Booking, which is kind of almost like an Airbnb sometimes. But I think these are basically apartments, and you can rent them if you want. Do all kinds of different things. Huh. I'm actually in a unit right now, but I'm kind of thinking maybe I should try to rent different places every day and kind of get a different feel for different units and things like that. But actually, it's kind of a community, and it's also a lot of units available. I might see if I can look at some. But anyways, this is where I'm at. It's part of Pattaya. I'll let you know where how the progress goes with all this stuff later. Hello. 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 So let's see. I'm going to playground right there. Okay. So this is kind of a centerpiece, so we're gonna go across here real quick. We got restaurants like a hamburger here. And ramen. Centerpoint is another hotel. Okay, Nirun Grand View Pattaya. So I guess I can also look at units like that. Anyways, we'll see. We got laundry services, hair salons. So basically you kind of have this little world of all kinds of cool stuff everywhere. Units that are available for rent right there. Recycling bin. You can also, I saw some washing machine stuff over here too. So you can hand wash them, use those facilities as well as drop them off somewhere. Those are some units up there. Okay, you can kind of see some of them. A lot of people are kind of hanging out here. So, okay. Let's see what all they have. Oil massage, Thai massage, live music, more laundry, haircuts. So yeah, there's actually a bar right here. You can listen to Legends Bar Premiere. Oh, that's kind of cool. But if you lived right up above it, I guess you'd hear it all the time. So anyways. So kind of interesting. Mostly laundry shops and hair salons, and the unit that I'm looking at right now, that I'm staying at for the moment, is no kitchen. So a lot of people would have to come out and eat. But I think that's a pretty good way to do it. Like your food is cheap. Anyways, we're gonna go out the entrance here, and this is it right there. Okay, this is Nirin Granville, and a bunch of units right here. And across the street, this is called Shagwell Mansion Pattaya. Shagwell Mansion, so I guess they rent rooms for the day there. Could walk over there too and just see how much they... So yeah, Shagwell Mansion Pattaya. Let's just see. Why not? And there's some bars right here too. So we'll just see if they have a room and how much they cost. And I wasn't planning to film this area, but I guess I will. I'll throw me on the camera as well. Try to do that more often if I can. This is just kind of a random street. This one has all Korean, everything's in Korean here. Kimchi mandu, that's like, that's pretty good. Murum chi dong, it's like a kind of soup. Chuak bap, some kind of rice. Anyways, you have all this kind of Korean food, only in Korean, and some Thai is written up there. But actually that's not my purpose of just sitting there trying to guess what foods they have. But this is like just kind of all kinds of cool stuff on the street. I'm in Pattaya, but I'm like in a back street, and I didn't expect all these kind of outdoor restaurants like this. Gangnam Pocha, it's called. Gangnam is a popular area in Seoul. Oh, look at this. It says all kinds of cool stuff too. So yeah, wow. Look at that. You got some music in the background way up there. Huh. This looks like mostly Thai families. It's really nice. Hollywood Pattaya, karaoke's over there. Yeah, it's funny how Pattaya caters everybody, and sometimes it's easy to think that they only cater to foreigners, but they don't. I mean, there's just on the street alone, there's a really cool place for mostly Thai, and this one looks like it's mostly Thai too, because the writing's all in Thai. Wow, there's an exchange place. There's also the Korean place, there's a Hollywood, there's a Grand Palazzo. So this is just some random street. I'm just trying to get from one kind of funny location in the city to the tourist area, and then I came across this area that's kind of in the dark streets here. Let me see. This one. Huh. Looks like a Korean. Oh, they have beer chang. Huh. So I thought this was gonna empty out. There's like cottage, they got live music right at that place. So we're gonna try to cross over if we can. And then here's another place that's seafood. So I think this is a Thai restaurant. And let's just see. We're gonna have to go around like this, but you can see this particular restaurant. Yeah, it's funny. Like I'm kind of in this bad spot, I would think, like dark roads, but there's all kinds of cool stuff everywhere. And more tourists over here, but we're gonna go around this way. Huh, okay. Seafood. pineapple fried rice. So, okay. So yeah, pretty cool spot. Let's see if we can get around here or not. We can try to go around this way. We'll go around like this. Oops. Now we're gonna go to another one. Yeah, all kinds of cool stuff. So it's called TK Resort. So if you were trying to find this and you wanted to, actually these are all the, one place I thought was predominantly Thai has all these too. You can sit and order Korean soju. You can sit, and this is like in Korea too. They have toilet paper to dry your hands like a napkin, and you can sit here like in once we met out after Korea. And there's a hot pot too. Huh. Okay. Yeah, I just thought we were just on some random street, and apparently we're not at all. Here comes a Song Tao. So that one you can come into the city. It's cheaper. Okay. More stuff. So now that I'm kind of getting in a more dark spot, but if you want to find something kind of interesting on a map, this says Key TK Royal Residence up there, and you can look up pretty much any of these things that I'm walking by that you see that you think is interesting. Okay, there's another name right there for you. Okay, so this one is Shagwa Mansion, 700 baht. So actually it looks pretty cool. It's a nice, just a basic, nice room. And then you could walk over to Granville and I could check out condo units and different stuff, and I don't know, I'm just kind of looking at some of my options here. Pretty interesting street though. They got all kinds of stuff in this area. There's also some bars here, so we're gonna walk by some of those in a minute. A lot of retirees, basically. So this one has a pool table here. 5,000 baht, okay. Huh. 7-Eleven here. We're just going to explore a little bit more, see what all this is. Okay. I guess I should show it since I have the camera. We're just going to walk straight down this way. Then you can see what's all here. Okay, your haircut again over here. More places for haircuts. These are only 100 baht, which is like $3. More bars. I saw this on the other side. Some more bars here. I'm not going to go in any of these, but we're just seeing what's around. So basically it's a little bar complex. Pattaya is filled with them everywhere anyway, so these are some more. Right now the sun is going down, so it's got this beautiful lighting. Wow. Okay, let's go check this out. I bet the sunset is beautiful right now too. So here's one of the bars, and then this whole row all the way down like that. And you got your 7-Eleven right there. More condo units down this way. Let's see if we can get across the street okay. Pharmacy. Bar and grill, and then I think this one right up there is department store. C, vitamin, it's not coming to me right now. A lot of people play pool here, I guess. Another pool table, more condo units. 2 Dogs bar, okay. All kinds of cool stuff. So anyways, yeah, Big C, that's what's right in front of us is Big C. So there's a big place to get your groceries at, and you're kind of walking in the street where it looks like you have to walk by a lot of scooters. More cars there. This is the gate here. Oh. Some dogs. I think I walked by this dog earlier. So this is basically a somewhat random street in Pattaya with some condo units that are quite affordable. 7-Eleven. We're just kind of exploring and just kind of seeing what's all around here. So, okay, so you got an idea, anyways. Another 7-Eleven. There's a few of them around. Lots of places to eat locally. Smells amazing. It's sushi. Okay. So this is yet another street. Okay, so this one is 6.5. We get the view. There's a small kitchen sink right here, and it's about, this is a smaller room at 6.5, 650,000 baht. So this one has a bathroom in here too. So okay, 6.5.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.